joining us on the broadcast. Roshan, many thanks for speaking to us. Roshan, it's been several weeks that the CBI has taken over this case. And of course, once the CBI took over, there was a sigh of relief that many heaved, SSR warriors especially, considering how the Mumbai police had botched up the investigation. But now, everyone has been waiting for answers, no concrete answers yet. And Dr. Swamy has gone on to say that why is it that the agency is not pressing the murder charge when there are glaring evidences in front of the agency? As an SSR warrior, as SSR's friend, do you feel disappointed over the delay?
See, yeah, I definitely feel a little disappointed over the way the delay has happened, but I am not disappointed with the progress. Let me tell you that, because like the day one, there was nothing. There was nothing which we even heard, even from the Mumbai police, about anything. It was just said, oh, it's a suicide. That's it, nothing else. But today there is so much more to it. Today the whole thing about suicide and which is kind of ruled out, kind of not completely acceptable, and many believe it also, okay, yes, it's not, Now nobody is just coming out of the way and just upfront and saying, oh yes, it is a suicide, just let's stop this whole thing. No. And all those roadblocks which were there in doing the investigations, they have moved out. And yes, now we are just waiting. Yes, the delay is there, but sometimes it happens because CBI and ED, we are really waiting for the reports of there. But what has come out in the drugs is also a good progressive step, I would say, because if you see about Disha's situation also, where in Disha Salian's case there was nothing happening. Today, at least with this talent management company being involved in the drugs, so somewhere this one route has opened up saying, oh, talent managers are also the mediators or aggregators for these drugs and all. So was Disha pushed into something like this, or maybe did she discover something like this which she knew, and that's where it has led to a situation where she's no more, So there are many things like Ria saying to the whole world in the glorifying interview, I have nothing to do with the drugs, and today she's there. So I can see the progress. Yes, it's a bit slow, but we are really waiting and hoping, and I have a lot of positive hope. And the yesterday's whole conversation about the girl saying, oh, I did not do anything, Sushant was doing. I'm quite surprised about these girls coming saying, oh, I did not take it for myself, I got it for Sushant. Oh, I did not do anything, I just saw Sushant doing. Oh my God, the whole world, all the Bollywood girls are just seeing Sushant doing this. And what were they doing? Just for example, mind it, Sushant was doing and they were not doing. But did they behave like a responsible citizen and informed the cops or the NCB that, a drug party is going on? Wasn't it their responsibility to inform? Just if we rule out, okay, and we believe them, blind, I'm just saying, in a situation, wasn't it their responsibility? And today they're just coming and saying, oh, the drug party was happening, we were there, but we didn't do anything. So you were a part of it. It's like, that is a rape happening.
But
and
that's what I'm saying, Roshan, that the focus has primarily been on NCB's probe lately. Vikas Singh, Sushant Singh Rajput's family lawyer, has said that an AIIMS doctor has confirmed to him that it is 200% strangulation by death. Why is it that now the delay? And there are just so many glaring evidences until now before the CBI, be it the O-shaped ligature mark, bruises on Sushant's body, needle marks on Sushant, mystery over his fracture, the time of SSR death that was not mentioned in the autopsy report, and why exactly was the body hanging diagonally. Dr. Swamy is going on to say that these are evidences enough that when the CBI is probing, they must press the murder charge. I want to understand from you, do you also feel that somewhere the attention is getting diverted, because that is what Vikas Singh is claiming?
मेरे पति राम में लेडीज को पुरुष उत्तम दिखते हैं और मुझे
No, see, as I said, Vikas Singh also didn't say the attention is getting diverted. He said it's getting delayed, which I also say yes, it is getting little delayed, but we are not upset about the thing, oh, it is not happening. And it is again not getting diverted because one thing which Sushant's dad said, in his statements many a times, and the family also said that in November, last year November, they had even complained to the cops, Mumbai cops, saying that Riya is giving poison to their son. So today that is coming true, that yes, the poison was pumped into him, it was being given to him. So this is somewhere, whatever the family was saying is coming true and becoming stronger. So I think to take it to the court, to that level, let them have all the evidences, and I think sooner or later we are just hoping that it should happen. But whatever the progress have happened, I am very much, and I will not say that it has just got completely diverted from it because Sushant is somewhere there because of the drugs. Like yesterday also what Shraddha said, Sushant was taking when I went to the party. But where is the conversation WhatsApp chat where Sushant is there? It is between her and Jaya Saha. So it is somewhere they are just trying to push it to Sushant. So he is there, and he is that single loop between all these people whose interrogation is happening. So that means all these people are trying to hide that one person who is somewhere connected to Sushant's this whole incident. So maybe through this Kadi Dar Kadi, we will be able to reach there, and we have moved quite ahead. If you see what was 3 months before. 3 months before there was nothing. The whole industry was standing with Riya saying, smash the Petracchi. Where is that industry today? Where are they? These people who had posted such sympathy post for Sushant saying, oh my God, we should have been there for you. It's our mistake. We were not there. Where are they today? Are they standing with the placards of say no to drugs? No. This proves that there is something fishy. There is a foul play which has happened, and maybe through these people, see, Deepika or any of these have not done anything. They're not the criminals. They're not the ones who have done anything. But yes, they know who's it. So somewhere, if we have reached to Riya's chat, Shauvik's chat, Jaya Saha, and from Jaya Saha to
And I also want to mention that even these FIRs that have been filed against these actors who are being questioned by the NCB, these are FIRs that are linked to the Sushant Singh Rajput case. But I want to bring your attention to Dr. Swami and what he has been stating, because he's saying that SSR fans are getting troubled by seeing the course of the probe. Various investigations are treading too cautiously. That is what he's saying, that the investigators are treading too cautiously. And it is time now that the CBI registers an FIR under 302, section 302. They should add this, because given the information obtained so far, FIR must be filed under 302. You think, Roshan, that the process must speed up now? For weeks, everyone has been waiting for answers. Yes, there are a lot of interlinkages that are now being exposed, and of course, eventually the agencies are trying to get to the root of it. But as far as justice for Sushant is concerned, and whether this is homicide or not, there must be concrete steps, and it must move in a very concrete direction.
See, first of all, I don't think so. Neither CBI nor anyone has ruled out homicide. They have not at all said this. Even when they have gone back to Delhi, they haven't said this. So it's very clear that yes, nor have they. So the thing of anyone saying, okay, these are the sections which should be done and the case should be filed. So maybe they are just figuring out if there are more sections, because when you are filing a case, all the sections should fall in place so that the case becomes stronger. It should not happen that you just file with one section or two section which is of homicide. Maybe there are multiple things, because there are many things which have still not come out properly, like the hard drives which were deleted. What happened to that? Where are those hard drives? The diary of Sushant which was torn. What happened to that? How did that happen? These answers still have not, these answers we haven't yet got still. So let's get all these things and then file the case with all these sections. And as far as AIIMS doctors are concerned, they haven't come publicly and announced and said about this. So let them also come ahead and say it. Meanwhile, I think because the hard drive is also going to be one very, very strong point, as in what was there in that hard drive. Maybe that is the reason. And what about these drugs? What are those pokey things on his neck which was there? Was it the overdose of drugs which was given to him?
Right.
Then why was it not there in the post-mortem report? Because the post-mortem report shows a multiple sleeping pills also. So here we are talking about drugs, and all these girls, when they are saying that he was fully into drugs, so did his post-mortem report show drugs? No, it didn't show drugs at all. Why didn't it show then? That means everything is very hunky-dory. It's not clear. So let's understand, what about these hard drives? Where are these hard drives? He was definitely working on something which he has mentioned multiple times, which is not found anywhere in his house or anywhere. Where did they go? So let's find out that. And it is not difficult, because footprints can always
That's exactly
be
the point, Roshan. Too many unanswered questions, and as important as it is to expose the muck within the industry, especially when it is coming to the drug network and all the details that have come to light until now, also important to not lose focus from the Sushant Singh Rajput case and really understand if that was a homicide, of a link between Disha and Sushant's case, and all those questions that need to be answered by the agencies that SSR warriors are waiting for. For the moment, Roshan, I want to thank you for joining us.